Hi children, welcome to online class. In this session we are going to learn about kitchen science. The kitchen is a great place to explore science. Even something like melting chocolate, boiling water are great science activity. With the ingredients you may have in your house, you can do several kitchen science activity. If one wants to explore science, in its everyday use, then kitchen is the right place to start. To understand how water boils or how idlis are made, we need to know science. In today's session, we will learn science behind boiling water and cooking idli. What do you infer from these two pictures? The first picture shows boiling water and the second shows boiling milk. What is boiling? Heating a liquid until it becomes gas is called boiling. Boiling the water means to heat the water until it becomes gas and mixes with the air. What is boiling point? The boiling point of a substance is the temperature at which the liquid boils. At this temperature, the liquid changes into gas. What are the benefits of boiling water? It destroys germs, it improves digestion, it prevents us from the infection of waterborne diseases. Now, let's think about science behind boiling water. As you all learned already in Unit 2, matter has three states. They are solid, liquid, and gas. Boiling water is a great example of changing the state of liquid into gas. Now, let's learn about the science behind cooking idli. Idli is a common and usual breakfast of Tamil Nadu. What process is involved in the preparation of idli batter? Do you know the ingredients used for making idli? The ingredients we are using to make idli are rice, black gram or urad dal, fenugreek and salt. Idli batter produced from these ingredients are soaked in water for few hours, then grind it in a grinder. Then the idli batter is fermented for 8 hours before use. What type of cooking process is involved in making idli? Idli is cooked by the method called steaming. Idli is prepared using idli cooker. We cook idiyappam by steaming. It is also prepared from rice. The advantages of steaming are its easy cooking method, steamed food is easily digested, steamed food retains vitamin C and E. Now let's think about science behind cooking idli. As you know already, matter has three states. They are solid, liquid and gas. Cooking idli is a great example for changing the state from liquid to solid. Steaming is a process which helps to change the state of matter. In this class, we learned the science behind boiling water and cooking idli. In next class, we learn about steaming in detail and some home appliances. Thank you children. Have a nice day.